For centuries, Stonehenge has stood like a silent guardian on the plains of Wiltshire. But one stone, hidden in plain sight, holds a mystery more ancient, more astonishing, and more far-reaching than we ever imagined. Among the massive blue stones and towering sarsen lies a giant slab known as the Altar Stone. Weighing nearly 6 tons, this stone sits at the heart of Stonehenge, both literally and symbolically. But, according to a recent study, the altar stone may not belong to this land at all. Researchers now believe that the altar stone originated from the northeast of Scotland, a staggering 700 kilometers away. Transporting a 6-ton stone over such an immense distance would have been a colossal task, requiring months of travel, the strength of hundreds, perhaps even thousands of people, and an extraordinary amount of cooperation. Experts estimate that this journey could have taken nearly 8 months, a feat that seems almost impossible without unity and shared purpose. The study's findings suggest that Stonehenge was more than a monument. It was a symbol of unity among the ancient peoples who inhabited what we now call the United Kingdom. The similarities between Scottish stone circles and Stonehenge hint at a deeper connection, a shared culture, shared rituals, and perhaps even shared beliefs. These clues strengthen the idea that the builders of Stonehenge had strong cultural and social links with northern communities. Transporting such a massive stone would not have been an isolated act. It must have involved alliances, mutual respect, and a powerful sense of collective identity. In a world without roads, without metal tools, and without advanced technology, humans from distant lands came together for a shared purpose. That purpose still stands today, silent, enduring, and awe-inspiring. Yet, the biggest question remains: why? What drove ancient communities to unite and transport a stone across nearly an entire country? Was it spiritual? Was it political? Was it ceremonial? The altar stone continues to keep its secrets, inviting us to look deeper into our shared human past. What we now see as a monument of stones may once have been a monument of people, their cooperation, their journeys, their stories. The altar stone is not just a piece of rock. It is a message from our ancestors, reminding us of a time when unity shaped the world. If you enjoyed exploring the ancient mystery behind the altar stone, don't forget to share, and subscribe for more hidden histories and powerful discoveries.